What's cooking, everybody? Dave Altizer here with Soren from Shure Microphone, and today we're looking at the MV88 Plus video kit from Shure. So this new video kit just announced here at CES, and it's shipping this week, I believe.
It is, yeah. We launched it 2 days ago, and we're shipping now, so very cool.
Very cool.
Can you tell me about it? Just walk us through this whole kit.
So let me give you the rundown. So this is the MV88 Plus. It's called the video kit, and you get everything here except the phone. There's a couple cables and a roll-up case too. So to walk through the microphone, you get the MV88 Plus microphone itself.
Nice.
It has a micro B port. That's how it connects to the phones, either Lightning or USB-C. Both come in the kit. It's a real-time headphone monitor as those start disappearing off of mobile devices.
Yeah.
It's really, really nice to be able to monitor, just have that extra level of confidence that what you're doing is actually showing up, right?
Yeah.
It's all customizable. You get the clamp and you get the Manfrotto Pixie tripod in here as well.
That's wonderful.
And the mic clip that it comes on has both a quarter and a shoe. So you can drop it into any existing rig, but right out of the box you have a rig that works all together.
And to me it looks like this is a standard size for a microphone too. Does that go on a normal mic clip?
It will indeed. You got to use a little muscle. We got it as close as we could to that, but it will indeed snap in there. So.
Well, this is a really great all-in-one kit. I can see somebody maybe who's a vlogger, for example, using this. Even if this lens is a little bit too tight, you can get the one from Moment. I think they make a great little adapter.
They do
and you can still use the mic with the adapter. So.
Absolutely. And even the Moment app if you want to. So
really?
let me show you about our app real quick. It's a stereo microphone, but what's so cool about it is you can turn it into a whole bunch of different things. So you can change how wide the stereo pickup actually is. So say you're at a musical performance, or like the Bellagio fountains is my favorite Vegas example, where when the fountains go big, wide from left to right, you want that audio to track, right? So you open it wide up and you get this really rich, like immersive stereo thing. Then you come to CES and you want to interview me and not the guy over my shoulder, right? So you just focus in, and that literally changes how the microphone picks up. You can also do just the front of it, and that's perfect for the sort of YouTube vlogger style thing. There's a kind of a weird one, but it's called bi-directional, and if you move this, what this does is turns off the front microphone, so it looks a little weird, but it actually is picking up on this way. So like I can interview you on camera, and we're both on mic, and it's really, really clean. Exactly.
And it's picking me up.
Exactly.
Wow, we're gonna do some tests with this with my phone. Is that okay?
Absolutely. Man.
Yeah. So right now we're shooting with the MV88 Plus in the 60-degree audio mode. This is the most directional audio mode. So now I'm shooting in the monocardioid mode. This is the mode that you're probably going to want to shoot on if you are a vlogger. So this is the iPhone without the Shure plugged into the mic. How does it sound? Probably sounds a lot noisier. Hey Soren, how's it going?
Hey man.
I can hear you very clearly.
Excellent, excellent. I see you're in bi-directional mode.
But you can actually hear me also.
I can.
Very cool.
Indeed, yeah.
I would have to say that this is probably the most professional iPhone mic setup I've ever seen. We've seen stuff from other companies before, but you don't get this type of adjustability and customization, which I think if you're a professional videographer, this is something you want to keep in your bag. Even somebody like me who shoots on bigger cameras, I want to have this as a backup if my camera blows up.
It's so flexible, and the more we go out and talk to content creators, the more we find out that almost nobody does it the exact same way, right? Everybody's got their own quirks, their own workflow. So that made our job to make this as versatile as possible. So we wanted to have you a kit right out of the box, so somebody who's just starting to do it, but kind of left all the mounting hooks in so you can drop it into anything or your next rig, and just physically and virtually configure the thing however you need.
Well, awesome. Thank you so much, Soren, for walking us through this. Let's get some demos, and I think I'm going to pick one of these up.
Sounds good.